Hey there, welcome back to the channel. It's me here. If you've ever felt like something was off but couldn't quite put your finger on it, this video is for you. I lived over 2 decades without realizing I had ADHD, and I wasn't alone. ADHD isn't just hyper kids bouncing off walls. Sometimes it's hidden in the tiny, easy-to-miss details, the ones that seem like personality quirks until they start running your life. Today, I want to share 7 subtle signs I had ADHD, and what I've learned since. I need background noise to concentrate. I didn't know this was a thing until college, when music helped me power through hours of work. Turns out, ADHD brains are chronically understimulated. Noise helps fill that gap. So now I use focus playlists, binaural beats, or even white noise to stay locked in. Silence doesn't help me focus. It makes me squirm. I love reading, always have. But my reading style, absolute chaos. I'd blaze through chapters, then realize I didn't retain a thing. I'd skip, skim, abandon, or reread books 3 times before things finally clicked. Now, I pair audiobooks with text, take notes, and let myself read messily because it works for me. Sitting still, torture. I had to do something, anything, all the time. I thought I was addicted to my phone, but the truth. ADHD brains crave movement, novelty, stimulation. Now, I channel that energy into exercise, cleaning, or writing in my head while folding laundry. I didn't just like sugar, I needed it. Same with caffeine. Looking back, it was dopamine seeking. ADHD brains run low on dopamine, so I self-medicated without even realizing it. Changing my diet helped me think clearer and feel better, like I finally had access to my own brain. Even a 10-second interruption could cost me 20 minutes of focus. And I interrupted myself constantly. Now I protect my focus like it's sacred. Phone away, headphones on, door closed. And when I do lose focus, I don't shame myself. I reset and start again. My cat knocked over a mug of tea, and I freaked out. ADHD isn't just about focus. It affects emotional regulation, too. Our brains feel things more intensely, but I've learned to pause, literally tell myself pause in my head, and ride out the wave before I react. Mindfulness, exercise, and sleep help a lot, too. These 7 signs might seem small, but together they were life-altering. For years, I thought I was just messy, dramatic, lazy, or undisciplined. But I wasn't. I had ADHD, and no one, not even me, noticed. If this resonated with you, you're not alone. ADHD is an invisible condition. But when we understand how our brains work, we stop fighting them and start working with them. Thanks for watching. If this helped you feel seen, share it with someone else who might need to hear it. And remember, you are valuable. You matter. And I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. If this helped you feel seen, please share it with someone else who might need to hear it. And remember, you are valuable. You matter. And I appreciate you being here. You can find the full video on our channel.